Welcome to Colors, Basic Extended. In this lesson, we will explore 5 important colors: black, white, brown, gray, and pink. These are fundamental colors that you will encounter in everyday English conversations about objects, clothing, and nature. Let's begin learning about each one. Let's start with 2 contrasting colors, black and white. Black is the darkest color. It absorbs all light and is often associated with darkness, elegance, and formality. White is the lightest color. It reflects all light and represents purity, cleanliness, and simplicity. These 2 colors are opposites and create strong contrast when placed together. Now let's learn about brown and gray. Brown is a warm, natural color. You find brown in soil, wood, chocolate, and tree trunks. Gray is a neutral color between black and white. It is calm and balances between extremes. Gray appears in clouds, concrete, and metal. Both colors are versatile and appear frequently in nature and everyday objects. Pink is a light, soft color created by mixing red and white. Pink is often associated with sweetness, femininity, and playfulness. You see pink in flowers, sunsets, and candy. Pink has many shades, from light pastel pink to bright hot pink. It is a popular color in fashion and decoration. Here is a summary of all 5 colors we learned. Black, white, brown, gray, and pink are essential colors in English vocabulary. Each color has its own characteristics and uses. Understanding these colors helps you describe objects, clothing, and scenes accurately in English. Practice using these color words in your daily conversations. Let's explore how these colors are used in different contexts. In art and design, black provides contrast, white creates space, and brown adds warmth to compositions. In clothing, gray is practical for everyday wear, pink adds fun and personality, and brown offers a classic, timeless style. In nature, brown appears in earth and tree bark, gray in clouds and stone, and pink in flowers and sunset skies. These colors surround us everywhere.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.